Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are continuing our class on modular arithmetic and looking at this question, reduce 55 to its simplest form in A modulo 3, B modulo 4, C modulo 5, and D modulo 6. And looking at the first question, in our previous video, we have explained what we know as modular arithmetic. And looking at the first question, we are to find the equivalent or the congruence to 55 in the counting of 3. So now, if we look at 55, is supposed to be equivalent to x in the counting of 3. So now x is the is the remainder when 3 divides 55. So for us to get x, we say 55 divided by 3. Now 55 divided by 3, 5 in 3 is 1. 5 remainder 2. Now 5 in 25 is 8. And 8 times 3 is 24. So we have remainder of 1. So therefore, 55 in modulo 3 is equivalent to 1, because this is the remainder, 1 in modulo 3. Alright? So now that's the first question. Now the second question is, we can start from this side here. B, we have 55 in modulo 4. That is, 55 is equivalent to a particular number x in modulo 4. So we are going to look for the number. So which means that what is the remainder when 4 divides 55? So 55 divided by 4 will now be 4 in 5. 4 in 5 is 1. Remainder 1. 4 in 15. 4 in 15, we have 4 in 15 3 times. 3 times. So remainder 2. So, remainder 3, because 3 times 4 is 12. 12 from 15 is 3. So we have remainder 3. So therefore, 55 in modulo 4 is equivalent to 3 in modulo 4. Now let's look at the next question, which is in the modulo of 5. What is 55? So 55 in the modulo, 55 is equivalent to a number in the modulo of 5. In the modulo of 5. So what is that number? So we have 55 divided by 5 is equal to 11. 5 and 55 is 11. Remainder 0. So therefore, 55 in the modulo of 5 is equivalent to 0 in the modulo of 5. Now, the last question here, which is question number D. So 55 is equivalent to x in the modulo of 6. 6 in the modulo of 6. So therefore we have 55 is equal to divided by 6 is equal to 55 divided by 6 is 9. 9, because 9 times 6 is 54. Remainder 1. So therefore 55 in the modulo of 6 is equivalent to 1 in the modulo of 6. Is equivalent to 1 in the modulo of 6. So therefore, you can see all our x's is the remainder. All our x's is the remainder. And in our previous video, we have discussed or explained that in modular arithmetic, we are only particular about the remainder when a particular number divides a particular number. The remainder will be the modular of that number in the counting of the number dividing it. So in our next video, we are going to be solving more questions on modular arithmetic that has to do with addition, multiplication, subtraction, and even division. Thank you for your time. God bless you.